How to turn off low power mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the battery option and tap on it. The primary purpose of low power mode is to extend your device's battery life by reducing power consumption. It does this by limiting background activities, decreasing display brightness, lowering network speeds and many other ways. On the battery settings screen, there is an option labeled as low power mode. Disable the switch if it's turned on. Low power mode has been successfully turned off. As the low power mode is turned off, it won't be able to restrict features like background app refresh, automatic downloads, and visual effects to conserve battery life. The iPhone will now resume normal performance and background activities. Following these steps, you can easily turn off low power mode on an iPhone.